So another thing we got to think about when we're looking at weather is humidity, which is really the amount of water vapor in the air. So I'm from Florida, and the humidity there is like 90% most of the time. Very humid. That is the amount. The air is holding a lot of water vapor. Woo! And when we're looking at humidity, the percent humidity, for example, we're looking at relative humidity. That means that is the amount of water vapor in the air, woo, compared to how much water vapor that air can actually hold at that temperature. So 100% relative humidity means the air is saturated. That air cannot hold any more water vapor. It's maximum capacity. It's holding the most water vapor it can hold. And warmer air can hold more water vapor than colder air. 50% humidity where it's warm is different than 50% humidity where it's cold. So 50% humidity in warm air is holding much more water vapor than 50% humidity in cold air. So the relative humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air compared to the total amount of water vapor that air can hold. And that depends on temperature. Condensation is going from a gas to a liquid. And that can happen in the atmosphere. We see it. Like you get out to go for a jog early in the morning, cold morning, you see the grass looks wet. There's water droplets on the grass. It's called dew. The water droplets are formed from the air because air had water. There's water in the air, there's water vapor in the atmosphere. It condensed to form liquid in the form of water droplets. And those water droplets are called dew. So dew point is the temperature of the air in which the water vapor will condense to form water droplets. And it depends on a couple things. It depends on how much water vapor is in the air. If there's not much water vapor in the air, you're not going to have much condensation. Makes sense. It also depends on the air pressure. We're looking at weather. And remember, weather is a description of the temporary conditions of the atmosphere. And weather depends on 5 main things as a review. First thing is the temperature of the air. Next thing is the wind. The next thing is the humidity. The fourth thing are clouds. And the fifth thing is precipitation. And that's in the form of snow, hail, and rain.